In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a Shopify store using AI. It's fast, easy, and beginner friendly. But before we dive in, make sure you're signed up to Shopify. If you haven't yet, I've dropped a special link in the description below. It gives you a $1 per month for 3 months promo. So don't you miss that out. All right, let's get into it. So once you're in your Shopify dashboard, go ahead and click the little plus icon on the bottom left corner. So from there, scroll down and click Shopify App Store. That will take us to where all the tools live and where we'll find the AI that we're using today. Now, you might be wondering, why even use AI to design a store? Well, it's pretty simple. So instead of spending hours tweaking themes and writing product descriptions, AI lets you automate the process, build faster, and still come out with a clean, professional looking store. You don't need to hire a designer, you don't need to write every word yourself. AI handles it and it handles it well. So, which AI tool are we using? We're going with Atlas AI, one of the easiest and most powerful AI store builders for Shopify. It builds your store, pulls in products, writes copy, creates reviews, all in just a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. So, inside the Shopify App Store, type Atlas AI into the search bar. Click on the app, then hit Add App to install it to your store. So in my case, I already have it, so I'll just click Open. And then this brings us to the main Atlas AI dashboard. So right here on the home screen, you'll see the headline, Build Your Store with AI in Minutes. Pretty cool, right? Now, you get to choose where your products come from. Options like AliExpress, Amazon, Alibaba, or Shopify. So for this walkthrough, let's stick with Shopify as the source. So click Shopify and pick a product that you'd like to feature. So I'm going with this simple t-shirt. Click Add, and just like that, Atlas begins generating your store. Next up, we're choosing images. And then you'll be shown a bunch of visuals to include. Maybe your newest products, upcoming releases, or best sellers. So I'll just pick a few random ones for this demo. But when you're building your real store, I recommend using your best photos, stuff that truly represents your brand. Once you've got your images picked out, click Continue. Now comes the fun part. It's time to customize the look and feel of your store. So Atlas lets you pick a color scheme that fits your vibe, upload your logo and icons, automatically generate product descriptions, and even add reviews, short or full length, whatever you prefer. It also gives you a ready-made facts section, which you can customize. And then there's the homepage layout, where you can rearrange text, images, and everything else to match your style. Take a few minutes here to really make it yours, so this part can seriously set the tone for your brand. Once everything looks good and feels right, click Launch Your Store, and that's it. Your store is officially live, all built with AI, no code, no stress. Now, if you want to preview how it looks, go back to your Shopify dashboard and click View Store. Then scroll down to your theme section, look for Atlas theme, click on it, hit publish, and you're done. You now have a working Shopify store live, customized, and powered by AI. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.